Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to buy UNH stock. This is a UnitedHealth Group stock. We'll be using the eToro platform because you cannot buy directly from the company, so we'll be using this brokerage platform. Of course, you could go ahead and use the brokerage platform of your choosing. Since we're using eToro, we have a simple search bar here where we can search for UNH. And by typing UNH, you can see United Health. You can click on it, and you can see the current price, and you can see your overview, your chart analysis, etc. Then at the top right area right here, you can click on trade, and here you can see the amount you'd like to buy. So you can put it $100 or $1,000. And you can see the number of shares which you'll be having. Then as you scroll down, you can set your leverage and the estimated opening cost is about $1. Then of course you need to have an available USD in your eToro account in order to make a purchase. That's why you have deposit right here. Now of course once you've made your deposit done, you're going to have the option to proceed with your transaction to complete the purchase of the UNH stock. So this is how to buy UnitedHealth Group UNH stock.